Hello, my name is Madam Jennifer from Educare TZ. Welcome, my lovely Form 2 students in our Biology Necta series. Now, we are going to solve the Necta questions for the year 2010. Welcome. The question is question number 7 for the year 2010, and the question stated that study the figure below and answer the question that follows. Study the figure below and answer the question that follows. This is a figure which has been provided and we are needed to study it carefully, and after studying it very carefully, we have to study the question that follows. This is a diagram which has been given here. Letter A, this is letter B, this is letter E, this is letter F, this is letter C, this is letter G, this is letter D. Now, after studying it very carefully, now we have to see the question that follows. Roman A, from the figure above, which part does the digestion of protein start? From the part above, which part does the digestion of protein start? Roman B, name the two digestive enzymes secreted at region C. Name the two digestive enzymes secreted at region C. And Roman B, C, what is the role of region F? What is the role of region F? And Roman D, name the yellow greenish pigment secreted by the liver cell and study in part E. Now, my lovely Form 1 students, before we answer our question, first of all, we have to familiarize ourselves with the direction of the question. Once you look on the question, Roman A, you are needed to from the figure above, which part that digestion of protein starts? Yes, you have to state from the given diagram where the digestion of protein starts. And Roman B, you are needed to name the two. You have been given condition 2 digestive enzymes secreted at region C. So you are needed to determine what is region C. And Roman C, what is the role of region F? Region F ina role gani? Na D, unatakiwa uname the yellow greenish substance or pigment secreted by the liver cell and stored in part E. So this is a diagram. Hii hapa. Kwanza to label this diagram. Kabla tuweza kujibu maswali lazima tujue Roman A ni nini, Roman B ni kitu gani, Roman C ni kitu gani, F ni nini, E ni nini, G ni nini na D ni kitu gani. So now tukianza na Roman A, this is esophagus, ambayo inakuwa inachukua chakula kutoka kwenye mouth kwenda katika stomach, ambayo stomach ndio Roman B. Alafu Roman C hapa ni pancreas, D hapa ni small intestine, E hapa ni gallbladder, F hapa ni pancreatic duct, alafu G hapa ni duodenum. Baada ya kujua hizi parts, write it pembeni. A ni esophagus, B ni stomach, E ni gallbladder, F ni pancreatic duct, C ni pancreas, G ni duodenum, D ni small intestine. Hii topic na hii diagram kila kitu ipo available at our media, at Educare Media, topic ya nutrition and it is the Form 2 topic. So, question now, from the figure above, which part does the digestion of protein start? The digestion of protein start from the stomach. So katika diagram yetu, stomach ni B. So the digestion of protein start at part B. Roman B, name the two digestive enzymes secreted at region C. Region C hapa ni pancreas. Kwa pancreas ina produce kitu gani? Roman C, what is the role of region F? Region F katika diagram yetu ni hapa pancreatic duct. Kwa kazi yake ni katika kuweza hapa ni region F. Hapa ni bile duct. Region F hapa ni bile duct. Kwa kazi yake ni katika release of the bile. Alafu swali la mwisho, name the yellow greenish pigment secreted by the liver cell and stored in the part E. Part E kama tunavyoiona, hii hapa ni gallbladder. So kitu gani kipo ndani ya gallbladder? Now, without wasting our time, tuanze kujibu swali letu baada ya kustudy our diagram very carefully. Hivyo, from the figure above, which part does the digestion of protein start? Now, the digestion of protein start at part B ambayo ni stomach. Ambapo within the stomach ndio kuna kuwepo na na pepsin ambayo inaanza digestion of the protein after being activated by hydrochloric kwenda katika active form kwa ajili ya ku digest protein kwenda kwenye peptide. Vile vile name two digestive enzymes secreted at region C. Region C ni pancreas. So it is digestive enzyme and be secreted by the region C. So pancreas yeye anakuwa na secrete the pancreatic amylase tunaenda kuziona. Na swali la 4 ni dilute hydrochloric acid is secreted at region B. Write any 4 roles of the hydrochloric acid in human body. So katika part B ni stomach. Stomach ina produce gastric juice. Gastric juice, one of the components ni hydrochloric acid. Kwa hiyo takielezea kazi ya hydrochloric acid katika body of human being. Na last one, which parts of the figure above digestion is said to be completed? Katika this diagram ueleze katika which part, katika this diagram uliopewa, katika which part the digestion ina said to be completed. So from the figure above, which part the digestion of protein starts? Sema kwamba the digestion of protein starts at part B, and name two digestive enzymes secreted at region C. Tumeona kwamba region C ni pancreas. Na hivyo inakuwa na release the pancreatic amylase ambayo inasaidia katika digestion of the maltose kwenda katika amino of starch kwenda katika maltose, na inasaidia katika digestion of pancreatic lipase. Pancreatic lipase for breaking down this lipid kwenda katika fatty acid pamoja na glycerol. And Roman C, what is the role of the region F? Region F tumeona ni kitu gani in our diagram. So the role of part F is to release the pancreatic juice. I have mistaken here. Region F ni bile duct, kwa inasaidia katika the release of the duct of the bile, ambapo bile ni composition of sodium hydrogen carbonate kwa ajili ya neutralizing of the acidic chain that pass from the stomach. Na Roman D, name the yellow greenish pigment secreted by the liver cell and stored in part E. Part E ile pale ilikuwa ni gallbladder. Within the gallbladder kuna kuwepo na bile. Kwa natakiwa uname this yellow greenish pigment ambayo ina be secreted by liver cell na be stored katika part E. So the yellow greenish pigment secreted by liver cell inaitwa bile. Roman E, dilute hydrochloric acid is secreted at region B. Write any 4 roles of hydrochloric acid in human body. So katika ile hapa swali unatakiwa ustate the roles of the dilute hydrochloric acid. The first one ni kwamba it will provide a suitable acidic medium for enzyme to work best. It will provide a suitable acidic medium for enzyme to work best. So this is the role of the hydrochloric acid. Inaweza provide a suitable acidic medium for enzyme to work best. And example kuna pepsinogen, ambapo pepsinogen it is inactive form of pepsin na ina be converted by this hydrochloric acid kwenda kwenye pepsin, ambapo pepsin inasaidia katika digestion of the protein kwenda kwenye amino acid ili kuweza kuwa absorbed into the body. Also the second role of hydrochloric acid inasaidia katika breaking down food into simplest particle. Break down food in simplest particles. The another one is to kill bacteria present in the food. And the last question umeulizwa kwamba which part of the figure above of digestion is said to be completed. Katika mchoro uliopewa, digestion inakuwa inakamilika wapi? Digestion become completed katika small intestine, and that was located by the letter D. Another question is question number 8. This question states that after a heavy rainfall, small plants were seen growing around the foundation of moist building and other moist area. Roman A, write the common name of organism. Roman 1, write the common name of organism. Roman 2, name the kingdom to which organism belongs. Name the kingdoms to which organism belongs. Roman 3, name the division to which organism belongs. Name the division to which organism belongs. And the B, draw a well-labeled diagram of organism you have mentioned above. Draw a well-labeled diagram of organism you have mentioned above. And the last question for this question number 8 is outline 3 economic importance of organism you have mentioned above. Outline the 3 economic importance of organism you have mentioned above. My lovely Form 2 students, before we answer our question, we have to familiarize with ourselves. Where do this question has been derived? My lovely Form 2 students, this topic has been derived from our topic of the classification of the living things. It is in that topic of the classification for living things. Now that classification, we study it from Form 1 to Form 4. So from the topic of the classification of living things for Form 2 is where this question has been derived. In the topic of classification of living things, we discuss on the two kingdoms, the kingdom fungi and the kingdom plantae. So our question of interest has been derived from the kingdom plantae. So you have been given here a scenario. After a heavy rainfall, small plants were seen growing around the foundation of moist building and other moist area. You are needed to write the common name of organism. Baada ya mvua kunyesha, ilionekana mimea midogo midogo ikawa inaota katika misingi ya nyumba na yenye unyevu, sehemu ambayo kuna kupo na unyevu, kuna kupo kama mimea fulani midogo midogo ikiwa inaota katika misingi ya nyumba. Paka umeshapata picture. So unatakiwa uandike jina ya hiyo mimea au those organism ambayo inakuwa inaota katika kuta za nyumba, those moisture area, sehemu zenye unyevu. Na Roman B unatakiwa uelezee kingdom ambao huyu hapa organism all this plant species anakuwa ana belong. Roman C unatakiwa state division ambapo huyo organism anakuwa ana belong. Na Roman D unatakiwa uchore mchoro wa huyo organism ambao umemname. Na ya mwisho unatakiwa uelezee three economic importance ya huyo organism ambao umeweza kumname. So now let us answer our question. At kingdom plantae tumeona katika phylum Bryophyta. One of the characteristics of this organism ni kwamba they tend to live in the wet and moist area. Is where they tend to found. Those are the most. So sana sana ukienda katika misingi ya nyumba unakutana na kama nalia ya kijani. Haina ni kama mafulani hivi ya kijani. Those are the most plants. So write the common name of the organism. So the common name of organism we tend to live or to grow on the foundation, on the mossy foundation. These are the moss plants. And name the kingdom to which organism belong. This organism they do belong to the kingdom plantae. And name the division to which organism belong. The moss plant tend to belong to the division Bryophyta. And the Roman B, you are needed to draw a well-labeled diagram of organism you have mentioned above. Here you are needed to draw the diagram of the moss plant. This is the diagram of the moss plant tunavyoona. These are the greenish plant. Huyu hapa ni matured one. Hizi unakuta hata yana hata ya maua. Kwa hiyo hapa ni capsule, ndio kuna kuwepo na this spores, hii hapa ni seta, hii hapa ni leaflet structures na hii hapa ni gametophyte. This organism when they tend to undergo the alternation of generation. One of the characteristics member of this kingdom plantae, they tend to exhibit a life cycle with the alternation of the generation. Unakuwepo na alternation of the life cycle between the sexual pamoja na sexual, ambapo kuna sexual ni hapa sporophyte na sexual ni hapa gametophyte. For further information, for further understanding, mostly welcome. Topic ya classification of living things for Form 2, na nimeweza kuelezea hadi mechanism ya alternation of generation namna gani ina take place. Vile vile Form 3 nimeelezea in detail kwa member of this Coniferophyta pamoja na Angiosperm. Roman C inasema kwamba outline three economic importance of the organism you have mentioned above. First one, most help to decompose dead logs. These organisms tend to grow on those dead organic matter in those area with the moisture content or wet area. Sasa their sadia katika decomposition of this organic material, sadia katika nutrient recycling. Vile vile mosses provide shelter for insect and other small organism. Kuna kuwepo wadudu pale wanakuwa wanaishi, kwa hiyo wana provide the shelter. Kingine, some birds and mammals use mosses as nesting material. Kwa hiyo ukiangalia ndege wanatumiaga this moss katika kutengeneza vile viota vyao. So Sporangia moss is harvested using plant nurseries as a plant growing medium. Vile vile peat derived from the remains of mosses are important fuel in Scotland pamoja na Ireland. So ila mwisho ni question number 10 for the year 2010, and the question stated that majority of people believe that all fungi are harmful organisms. As a biologist, explain 6 ways in which fungi are beneficial to human beings. Again, my lovely Form 2 students, This question has been derived from our topic of the classification, and it needs you to become or to be well equipped with the knowledge of the classification to living things. Within this classification of living things for form 2, na hiyo imetoka katika ile kingdom fungi. So tunapozungumzia kingdom fungi tunasema kwamba kingdom fungi contain a variety of eukaryotic organisms that consists of bond cell organelles such as mitochondria pamoja na nucleus. Kwa kingdom fungi imeconsist a variety of eukaryotic organisms that consists of bound cell organelles such as mitochondria pamoja na nucleus. Na hivyo most of them are multicellular. Most of the members of the kingdom fungi ni multicellular, meaning that they are made of the millions of cells, and some are unicellular. Most of them are multicellular, lakini some of them kuna ambao ni unicellular. Example unicellular ni kuna yeast, na multicellular kuna rhizopus pamoja na mucus fish. So swali letu tunataka kuweza kuelezea kwa nini watu wengi wanaamini kwamba members of the kingdom fungi ni very harmful. Lakini wewe kama mwanabiolojia unatakiwa uelezee kwa nini these members of the kingdom fungi are beneficial. Uelezee the advantages of the member of the kingdom fungi. The first point ni kwamba saprophytic fungi. The saprophytic fungi, these are the fungi you tend to do. For example, kuna kina mushroom, the one we tend to grow on those dead organic matter, plant and animal remains. So the saprophytic fungi are important in the decomposition of dead organism. Kwa nasaidia katika decomposition of those dead plant and animal remains. Vile vile yeast is used to ferment various type of carbohydrate in order to produce alcohol. Kwa hiyo inasaidia katika fermentation, katika concept yetu ya anaerobic respiration, ambapo anaerobic respiration this involve the breaking down of the glucose in the absence of oxygen, ambapo it tend to vary for plant and animals, ambapo katika plant inatokea katika yeast ambao itinapelekea the production of the alcohol, kwa neta ni alcoholic fermentation, na katika animal inapelekea the production of the lactic acid. So hii hapa yeast ni member wa kingdom fungi katika ile class Ascomycota. Kwa hiyo hapa yeast anasaidia katika fermentation of various type of carbohydrate in order to produce alcohol. So alcohol inatumika kama kinywaji, kama stimulant kwa watu. Vile vile some types of fungi, for example mushroom, are used as a source of food. We have agaricus, so unaangalia mushroom, uyoga is a source of food, na ni rich source of protein. Unajua kazi ya protein katika mwili, katika building of the worn out body parts, providing of energy to the body. So huyu hapa mushroom ni moja ya natural source of protein. Once you consume it, you are unapata protein in a required rate. Vile vile fungi are widely used in genetic engineering pamoja na research. Fungi wanatumika katika genetic engineering pamoja na research. Another advantages of the members of the kingdom fungi ni kwamba kuna yeast, ambao yeast is a rich source of vitamin B pamoja na protein. Huyo hapa yeast yeye anakuwa ana vitamin B pamoja na protein. Unajua protein ina kazi gani mwilini, na vile vile vitamin B ina kazi gani mwilini, so they provide hivi vitu. Kingine, some types of fungi are used in production of antibiotic, for example penicillium. Antibiotic hivyo ni vidonge ambayo inasaidia dawa ambayo inasaidia katika relieving of the pain. Kwa this example, this penicillium wanasaidia katika production this antibiotic, inasaidia either kwa mfano mtu anaumwa tumbo, anaumwa kichwa, anaweza akatumia. Vile vile yeast cell are used in the production of lactic acid pamoja na citric acid. Kwa yeast cell anasaidia katika production of lactic acid pamoja na citric acid. Sana katika viwanda unaangalia lactic acid katika kutengeneza this yogurt, cheese, they are useful. Vile vile fungi has been used to control pests that cause damage and disease to agricultural crops. Kwa mfano kuna fungi ambao wenyewe wanasaidia, wana big grown katika mashamba ili kwa ajili ya kuweza kucontrol pests ambao wanapelekea kuharibika kwa mazao na magonjwa kwa mazao, hivyo kuweza kupelekea hasara kwa wakulima. So this biologist amekuja na science tunasema kwamba fanya tumika katika scientific engineering na genetic engineering pamoja na research. They come up with the research and their finding on the particular kind of fungi which ones then grown into the farm, na saidia katika controlling of these diseases damages pamoja na diseases of the agricultural crops, either kwa kutengeneza the insecticide. The last one ni kwamba some fungi used in dairy industry to flavor the cheese. Kuna fungi ambayo tumika katika viwanda vya maziwa katika kuweza kutengeneza this, kwa mfano cheese, yogurt ambayo tunazitumia ni very expensive na ni tamu sana. So these are the application of the member of the kingdom. So fungi are very beneficial. So after that, my lovely Fonto students, that mark the end of enjoyable session. Stay tuned, stay connected to Educare Media for following further lessons so that you can increase up your understanding. Thank you for attention. Keep on following Educare Media. Have a nice moment.